Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Are you as excited to garden this year as I am? Well, if so, Garden Gate's January-February issue has lots of inspiration and information to help you get started this year. The cover story is about our favorite new plants, where we'll share a lot of new annuals and perennials and shrubs and trees and vegetables and even houseplants, and help you get started as you go shop in the garden center this spring. In addition, you'll find this beautiful and informational story on fragrant roses. I wish we could do a scratch and sniff this time. And you'll find an article about how to deal with organic pesticides safely. And also we'll introduce you to 8 vegetable garden mistakes we wish we'd never made. Don't you make the same mistakes. Finally, let's take a tour of this gorgeous garden in the Seattle area. It's so inspiring, and I got a lot of great ideas from this beautiful place. And as usual, you'll find lots of great reader tips. You'll find reader questions answered and so much more in this issue. If you're a subscriber, I'd love to know what you think of the issue and what you're excited about this year in your garden. And if you're not a subscriber, you can find this issue on the newsstand right now, or you can subscribe in the link below.